Hi guys, this is Dr. Nita with Keys of Health. A lovely viewer has asked me to do a video on baby colic and some natural treatments for it. So here we go. I will give you some reasons for colic, what causes it, and its natural remedies. Abdominal pain in infants in their first weeks of life is often caused by gases or colic. It is a gastrointestinal disorder that affects about a quarter of the infants worldwide. And every culture has their own time-tested remedies for this condition. So this video by no means contains everything, but I have gathered remedies that have stood the test of time and are very effective. Colic occurs during the first 3 months of infant's life. It causes severe abdominal pain, excessive crying, convulsions, and clenched fists. Although it passes with time, it is very distressing for infants and parents. Colic in babies is probably one of the most common reasons why parents seek medical advice in the first 3 months of their baby's life. Some of the reasons why colic may occur in babies are immaturity of the baby's digestive system, sensitivity to lactose, which is found in baby formulas sometimes. If the baby cries while feeding or eats too fast, they may swallow air and that produces gases. Sometimes the baby is mistakenly thought to be hungry when crying, which can lead to overfeeding. This can put a strain on their digestive system and cause abdominal pain. Apparently, parental anxiety may also contribute to baby colic because first, babies tend to suffer more from colic when parents are more anxious and unsure of what they're doing. There are some basic rules to avoid baby colic. If you're breastfeeding, you should know that your diet greatly affects your baby's digestive system. It is advisable to eat light and easily digestible foods like soups, stews, and sautéed foods. You should avoid heavy curries and oily foods. You should also avoid or at least reduce caffeine and baked goods like cakes and pastries. Tropical fruits, dairy, and spicy foods can also cause discomfort to the baby. So if your baby has colic, try eliminating these foods from your diet and see if these might be responsible. Don't limit the breastfeeding time. Let your baby get all the milk that they need. Don't nurse the baby for too long without burping them, and don't put the baby down right after feeding. Make sure they burp before you lay them down. And if they burp right away, still hold them up against you for 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure. Now, there are a variety of postures and positions that also help calm the baby down. One of these is the tiger position, in which you lay the baby on your forearm, stomach down, with the legs and arms on either side of your arm. Try different postures and discover what makes it easier for the baby when they are in pain. You can talk to your pediatrician or lactation consultant and ask them to show you some of these positions. Now let's talk about some home remedies for the treatment of baby colic. If you are breastfeeding, then you should try drinking anise tea. Not star anise, anise is different. I wouldn't recommend giving it to the babies, but you can drink a little before you nurse the baby. It really helps. Soak anise seeds in boiling water for about 15 minutes, strain, and you're good to go. Fennel seeds are also very good. When breastfeeding, drink fennel seeds infusion 3 times a day, and it will relieve the gases in both you and your baby. To make the infusion, simply smash a teaspoon of fennel seeds and add to a glass of boiling water. You can smash them using mortar and pestle or use a spice grinder. Let it steep about 15 minutes. Strain and drink it. You can make it early in the morning and then drink throughout the day. Another thing that helps is caraway seeds. Soak caraway seeds in boiling water for about 15 minutes, strain, and if you like, you can sweeten it with some honey. It is common practice to give a few drops to the baby, but I would recommend nursing moms to drink it instead. There are certain things you can do to the baby to calm them down and help relieve their pain. One of them is massaging them with chamomile oil. Abdominal and foot massages can help relieve gas. Use counterclockwise circular motions when massaging the abdomen. Chamomile is soothing and it also stimulates the digestive process. You can use olive oil or coconut oil mixed with chamomile essential oil or chamomile infused oil for this massage. When massaging the feet, use circular motions and gently press the feet against the abdomen. This will help babies expel gas. A warm and soothing bath sometimes relieve gases and abdominal pains in infants. So whenever your baby is really cranky and colicky in pain, give them a warm bath. You can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to help calm them down more. Try to avoid buying any products that claim to relieve gas in babies. Many of these contain harmful substances and some even contain alcohol. Try these simple treatments at home. Most importantly, try to remain calm. It will pass. Make sure you consult your pediatrician before trying anything new. Don't forget to take good care of yourself as you care for your precious baby. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if there's a topic you would like me to cover, drop me a line here or on Facebook or Instagram. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, goodbye.